Hey everyone, today I'm going to share some killer hacks to help apartment investors like you negotiate lease renewals. Retaining quality tenants and ensuring stable cash flow is crucial, right? So let's dive in. First up, start early. Reach out to your tenants 90 days before their lease ends. This proactive approach shows them you value their stay and gives you ample time to address any concerns they might have. Next, highlight the benefits of renewing. Mention how they'll avoid the hassle and the cost of moving, maintain a stable living situation, and continue to enjoy their familiar community. It's a win-win for everyone. During your discussions, make sure to address any tenant concerns. Ask if they need any minor repairs or upgrades. Taking care of these requests can boost their satisfaction and increase the chances they'll renew. Now let's talk incentives. Offering a modest rent discount can be very enticing, especially if they're considering other options. Or throw in some perks like complimentary parking, utility discounts, or even new appliances. These small upgrades can add significant value. Flexibility in lease terms also goes a long way. Consider offering a 12-month renewal with an option for a 6-month extension. This flexibility can make tenants feel more comfortable committing to another lease. A great tactic is to highlight market comparisons. If the rental market is rising, emphasize how renewing at a discounted rate is a better deal than moving to a higher market rate elsewhere. Show appreciation for long-term tenants. Offer loyalty incentives like keeping their rent below market rate or providing additional amenities. This gesture builds goodwill and loyalty. Finally, customize your offers based on tenant needs. For instance, a tenant with a car might appreciate complimentary parking, while a tenant with pets might value waived pet fees. To wrap up, offering small perks like discounted rent or complimentary parking can make a huge difference. It's all about adding value and making their renewal decision easy. And there you have it, some solid lease renewal hacks to keep your tenants happy and your cash flow steady. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. See you next time.